Hi friends, I have a question for you. What could be better than these beautiful Stampin' Up! Spring colored cards and matching envelopes? How about free cards and envelopes? This is Patty Bennett and I want to share with you these great cards found in the Stampin' Up! 2018 Sale-a-Bration brochure. You're going to find them on page 14, right back here. I just am not sure that they show super well in this catalog. So I thought I would do a real quick video for you and share some ideas that I've made and show you these great cards up close. You get 16 note cards and 16 envelopes. So you're going to get 4 striped ones, 4 cute yellow dots, 4 blue dots, and then 4 of the Calypso Coral. I don't know what they're little happy things. I'm not sure what you call that pattern. So you're going to get 16 cards and then 16 of these great envelopes. That is your free gift choice during celebration. So for a $50 order at pattystamps.com, you could choose that. You can also choose, of course, any of the other gifts in here. But that's in the catalog. I don't think that it does it justice. So I wanted to show you some things that I've been working on with these cards, and I have been coloring with Brusho on the Memories and More card pack. So that's what this design comes from. And then I just mounted it on the cute free Sale-a-Bration card. Let's look at a few more that I did. So I did this one and mounted it on the blue. I did a butterfly and paired it with the Calypso Coral and the yellow. And then this one I put on the Lemon Lime Twist and the Calypso Coral. I love that combination. This one is a navy blue, Night of Navy, with the blue and the green accents. I think that one's pretty striking as well. So aren't these envelopes fun? They have patterns both on the flaps and on the inside. So it's like they're already lined, but it's just pre-printed on there. So these are just super fun. And again, just one of the free choices during Sale-a-Bration. I hope you enjoyed that little sneak peek, and I hope that gave you a better look at these amazing free cards. Let me know if you have questions or if I can help you with an order. I'd be happy to do that.